Hello YouTube, welcome to the garage. Just want to kind of make a quick video here. I've got several projects going on, and I just kind of wanted to show what I figured out with this. This is a gas tank off a motorcycle, obviously. It's off of a 95 Yamaha 1100 Virago. Okay, and it had the typical rust on the inside of the tank, and it actually has a couple pinholes in it that I want to try and salvage the tank. I think I can do that, but over the last couple of weeks I've been keeping vinegar in it, just regular 5% white vinegar in it, and it was leaking out through the pinholes and stuff, but I just kept refilling it. And so I had a chance today. I was gonna just kind of flush it out. You can see kind of the water that came out of it. It was a lot milkier than that when I was flushing it out with the hose, but I could still hear a lot of sediment rattling around in there, obviously the scale from inside of the tank, and which isn't surprising. But when you get something like that inside of a motorcycle gas tank, it is really hard to dump it out. I've been flushing and flushing and flushing, and just the way the fuel fill is designed with that lip in there, you can't dump anything out. So and since this was steel, it's a steel tank, and the scale would be magnetic. So I got to thinking, I took my little magnet one thing here, and I sloshed the water around and kind of get the scale down here in the corner, and that's what I pulled out. I don't know if you can focus on it. Just a whole bunch of scale, and actually there's a little screw in there. I'm not sure what that's out of. I gotta figure that out. This does have a fuel gauge. I don't know, but it picked up a little bitty screw. Again, I'm not sure if you can see that. There's a screw on that. Let me see if I can pull it off. See a little screw. I'll have to figure out where that goes, and if it screws into something inside the tank, not sure exactly how I'm going to do that, but I'll figure it out. So I just wanted to show there's a huge pile of just scale, and I'm going to clean that off, and I'm going to keep doing that. And obviously, if something is not magnetic, if it's not ferrous, any kind of ferrous metal, it won't stick to it. But if you're working on cleaning out a tank that's got a lot of scale in it, get yourself one of those flexible magnets and slosh everything around until it's down in a corner. And it might take you a few times to get it all out, but at least you'll get all the steel scale out of there. And then as far as anything else, would be like sand or something like that. I'm not sure exactly how you get that out of there. Figure out some sort of a vacuum system. But as far as the steel scale from the inside of a tank, just slosh it around until it's in a corner, some sort of a magnetic device, and it'll pull it right out of there. So I just wanted to kind of share that with everybody. I am gonna, listen, I'm just trying to get the major scale out of it right now, just get and make sure that I can actually salvage the tank before I waste any time. But I'm gonna see if I can. I'm going to coat the inside of this tank, and that'll be another video. But as far as this is concerned, how to get metal, ferrous metal scale out of a motorcycle gas tank, slosh it around until you get it into a corner, and then use just magnet to suck it out of there. So if you could, subscribe to the channel, like, and I'll see you in the next video.